So this is the Apple iWatch Series 6 40mm version. This is a bit smaller than the 44mm version. So I've also included a protector for this, otherwise it will look great. And this stainless steel strap looks quite good on it. So you can buy it from eBay or AliExpress. I'll put both links to buy the screen protector as well as the strap on my description. So talking about the watch, it looks really good. So there's a home button. When you click the home button, it will take you to the app menu. So there are plenty of apps installed, and you also can download apps using the App Store. And when you swipe up, there will be a notification panel. There's a battery indicator, the Wi-Fi switch, and there are many features. When you hold this main screen, you'll get to choose new watch faces. You can change the watch faces. So there's plenty of watch faces available. Let's just choose one of it. You just have to edit. That's it. And then click the home button. It will all be there. Also, there's the always on display. Unlike the series SE series. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Talking about the battery life, it lasts for 1 to 2 days, but with always on display, it will only last for about 1 day. So I don't usually use the always on display mode, but if you use it without always on display, you can use it for maybe even for maybe 3 days. There's also a cool feature and this watch. It's called camera remote. So when you use it, your camera screen will be displayed on the app, so you can click your own photos. So let us go through some apps, pre-installed apps on the watch. So it works quite smoothly. There are a number of apps available here. You can set alarms, pretty useful apps, calendar, compass, heart rate, maps, everything is there. So let's go to settings and see what's there. So as usual, you can see, as in the iPhones, you can see it's pretty much the same. The settings is pretty much the same. You can change the brightness and the app view, everything. You can even use this as the